we have a problem.
A big fat problem.
Your belly, you can try and hide it, but it shows whether you sit, stand or walk.
Belly fat is not good, and it's time we did something about it.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Rob. This is Moby.
Bonjour.
And this has got to go. Hey everyone, it's Friday the 7th of May 2021.
And we cannot wait to go on holiday, but we have one big fat problem. We're both the heaviest we've ever been, and we need to do something about it.
It's not a pretty sight, I'm sorry about that. So tomorrow, the 8th of May, we're going to start our Bellyproof Body Transformation Weight Loss Challenge. Try and get rid of that. God, can you imagine if we did go on a holiday and I jump into the pool, the water, and everyone else with it jumps out?
Tsunami!
Right, should we do the,
Yeah.
do the measurement? Cool.
Here we go.
I'm going to do a little live date proof for the doubters among you.
There we go. Okay, ready? What is today's date?
It is Friday the 7th of May 2021.
So, 85.5. Do you want to show it to the camera? Stay there. Cool, and stay there. And 25.2% body fat, you can see. The moment we've all been dreading. Very good. I'm 18.1, I'll show you to the camera. Good. 80.1 kilos, that's me. 27% body fat. So, we're gonna start tomorrow. See what happens in a few weeks. See you then. Bye.
What is today's date?
It is Thursday the 8th of July 2021.
Fantastic. There you have it. Hey everyone, it's Thursday, the 8th of July 2021.
Exactly 2 months to the day that we started our challenge.
And we really want to show you what happened.
So, 8 weeks ago, we were both the heaviest we've ever been.
Yeah.
And today, well, we want you to decide.
It's much better. much better today. Actually, we can go on a holiday now with our budgie smugglers.
Brilliant.
Yeah, that'll be good. Good stuff. So, yeah, a lot happened in 8 weeks. What happened to all the, there was fat here, what happened to all of it?
What fat?
I'm naturally slim. Shall we do a quick measure?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool. Hey. Hello. So, okay, this is much better.
There we go.
There we go. This is much better today. 70.5 very happy with that, to say the least. 17.9% body fat. I am less than 17.9, but it's a good indication. I'm happy with that.
Well done. That's really good.
Thank you. Right, should we do you?
Yeah, that's fair.
Cool. You're helping, Mo.
So,
Good stuff.
today I am 72 kilos 70 and my body fat is 13.7%.
Fantastic. This is really, really good. Well done. Do you know, it's a bit annoying. Well, I'm a bit jealous. It's the thing is, I've been working a bit harder. I've done a few extra runs. You know, pushed a little bit harder. They watched everything a tiny bit more carefully, and he still smashed it. He did much better than me, and this is fantastic. Yeah, I would estimate another kilo, maybe 1.5 kilos here. That I'd be very happy to still lose. But this is so much better. I've got my six-pack back. Great.
You're looking really good. I've never really had a six-pack before, so this is great. Really, really good.
High five. Yeah. High five. Good boy. We've done measurements every day, and we've got all of them plus the analysis all on the bonus section on the website.
And we filmed everything from start to finish with no cuts. It's unedited, so you can see the full material.
Yes, if you want to see the unedited version, head to the website. But for now, we have got quite a lot to cover today. So, back to the video.
Series of videos, we'll show you some of the lesser known aspects behind a successful body transformation. And we'll introduce you to some practical advice for taking your results to the next level. The full series and bonus videos are all available to watch for free at bellyproof.com. No, this series will not tell you to eat less and train more, run for 5 hours a day, watch your calories, or drink nothing but water for a week. What this series will do is give you something new and exciting to get you faster results. Stick with us and learn how to become belly-proof. In this episode, we want to introduce you to some of the core principles behind our Bellyproof program and give you a sneak peek into our Bellyproof daily routine for the last 8 weeks. We will cover training, nutrition, recovery, and so much more.
Let's go.
Let's start with the basics, the most important part of the Bellyproof fat loss system. We all want to burn fat.
However, what most people don't realize is that in order to burn fat, you need to extract it from fat cells first.
This is what we call fat breaking. We know this is a far cry from eating less, training more, counting calories and worrying about protein, but it will make sense.
Let us explain.
With cartoons!
Fat burning happens when we take a fatty acid and transport it to the mitochondria. But it's not that easy. You see, our fatty acids are joined up in threes, a trio if you like. And how can they be free when they are shackled to a glycerol chain, locked away in a fat prison cell, far, far away, and guarded by the evil alpha-2 receptive monster?
The only ones who can break them free are the Tess, Adri, and They have what it takes to break the glycerol chains and set those fatty acids free. Don't miss the fatty acids, burning it up live tonight at Club Mitochondria. I'm confused. What?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Don't worry. If you watch to the end of the video, you will get a good understanding of how all these points and more connect into effective weight loss. This would be a good time to mention that other weight loss methods work. Yep, calories, cardio, keto, weights, intermittent fasting, you name it.
All these methods have been successful for a lot of people, and they still are. They all work.
But it works slowly in comparison to what you are about to learn.
So, if you are interested in learning how to break through your plateaus, address belly fat and become leaner significantly faster, then stick with us and watch the next few videos.
As we build up the concept and break down the science. A full breakdown is available on the fourth part of this series.
Before we move on to the second episode, where we explore some of the science, we thought you might like to get an insight into what a day looks like when you belly-proof it up. There is flexibility in the programme to make sure anyone can fit it into a busy day, but generally we'd start our day with a few minutes of mobility and a black coffee. A few recommended supplements, but strictly no steroids. A bit of cucumber for Moby, and we're off to a good start.
Every week there are 4 essential belly-proof workouts with an optional 5th bonus workout. Workout number 1 is Moby's absolute favourite. Each of the workouts has mandatory parts and optional parts, and we took just over an hour to do them, sometimes working with the at-home options and other times going to the gym, which we generally preferred.
The workouts are fun and unique.
And no, it's not about cardio and weights. We'll cover the structure and how it helps us break and burn fat in detail in episode 4.
At the end of each workout, we would keep active for a little longer, 5-10 minute run, a short swim, or taking His Majesty jogging. A bit later, we'd have our super awesome salad. And of course, Moby has his. Then, around 7 PM, we had our dinner.
Around 11 PM, we get ready for bed and off to sleep at 11:30 until 8 AM the next morning.
We did everything with strategy, following every detail and documenting every step to show you how we got better results. Nutrition-wise, calories are not important as part of this program, but everything else is. We will teach you how to eat extremely well and never count a single calorie. This is covered in the 3rd video in this series. Training-wise, we have a unique structure. It's not really cardio or weights. We get to that later.
You will need to train hard, but we don't expect you to go from 0 to hero. We will teach you a method that will enable you to train hard and recover well.
It's important to us that you move well, sleep well, and feel well.
No one benefits if you feel terrible.
In the next few videos, we go head-on with the science and strategy of belly-proofing.
Remember, you can watch the full series both on the official channel and on the Bellyproof website. And don't forget to check out the bonus videos and the ever-growing before and after section.
You can also join the official program and do it yourself. We hope you'll be brave enough to film your before and afters and post them as well. We are going to cover so much in the next few videos, and if you have any questions, please do post them in the comment section. Join us in the next episode where we talk about blood. See you there.